I changed my shirt because my wife was complaining that my shirt was inappropriate, so here I am with the nice shirt. We got this package in the mail, and I want you to see yet another product we're going to try out. And let's open this bad boy up. So we got this product off of Amazon, and yeah, it's a pressure washer. And I just want to see what this one's like. Oh my God! Oh, nice. Okay. Instructions. Who needs those? See what we got here. Well, we got a hose reel. Side reel, side attachment. Done. Alright, well, let's see what attachments we got here. We got a foam sprayer, just the side cap with the side reel. Here comes the handle with the extension, and all the needed nozzles for the front of it. What else we got here? Oh, I haven't seen this one before. This is a handle that plugs right into that sprayer. That will work good with foam. My favorite color, blue. Yes, a little heavy little boy. Woo. Yeah. Very nice. You feel it's got heft to the motor. And let me see. Now let's try putting this together. It looks good. It looks like it's going to be fairly easy to do. Very quick and easy. This guy snaps into this right here. Handle is about to come out. There you go. Snaps right into here. And there's screws that hold it together. Okay, this guy snaps into the back. And I presume that's holding the electrical cable. Yeah, the electrical cable. Bada boom, bada bing. And a ding and a bang and a boom. How does this connect? Okay. Nice, and here we go. I like to put WD-40 in there even when I have used it because it keeps it lubricated and it slides in there easy. I noticed they have extra nozzles, rubber seals if you wear out the one in there. This thing comes off. Hello. There you go. Like that. Or try that now. Start out here, and there you go. Boom, boom, boom. Spray foam. This is nice. I like it. Next, it's another try. With drill in hand and screw in hand, let the screwing begin. Strip any plastic or strip the plastic out of this nozzle. All right, we are ready to pressure wash. Make sure it's just the right pressure. That's good. Everything's good. We're ready to go. Boom. They always say you're supposed to, you know, you get the water turned on, you're supposed to run it to get all the air out of the line, so let me do that. So you can see those little air there. And then we're ready to go. You just turn the machine on right from this button right here, and we're off and running. Anything on the north side always gets moss on it. A patio, a walkway, a trailer. So got moss right here on the wheel well. I'm gonna try to, and right here, I'm gonna try to get it off. Yep, it works. Oh yeah! Take a look at this. So I just put a little mild car wash detergent in here. Oh yeah! We'll be using this thing a lot. So what do I say about this lightweight pressure washer? Well, unlike my heavy gas pressure washer, you have to drag it out, you know, get it started and run it, which does get the job done. This is lightweight. As you can see, you got my trailer done very quickly. Some unusable tarps that got done really quick. 4 nozzles, spray washer, and also a brush. Really gets the job done quickly. I highly recommend it. Thumbs up. 15 degrees. Yeah. There you go. It's upside down. It's because you screwed it in the wrong way, moron. And now since you got me pressure washing, I just can't stop.